friends, time for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty has witnessed an extremely volatile trading session today. It opened on a flat note, traded with a positive bias within the first 15-20 minutes of the trading session. Thereafter, a sharp fall came and which took the Nifty down almost negative 60 points. Thereafter, again the Nifty pulled back and was trading with a pulled back smartly and was trading with a negative bias with a minus 20, 18 point kind of a reading on the Nifty. Thereafter it traded in a sideways manner. After 2 p.m. another sharp fall came and the Nifty ultimately ended the day with a 38 point cut on the Nifty today. The advance decline ratio was negative with 364 advances to 1157 declines. The mid cap and the small cap index were down 2.3% and 1.5% respectively. Now from the Nifty 50 pack, Tata Motors, Infosys, TCS, ICICI Bank were some of the major contributors to the fall in Nifty today, while ITC, ONGC, Reliance, BPCL, State Bank of India closed in the positive today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has, for the second running day, closed in the negative today. Important observation today is that it has closed below the 20-day simple moving average, which was acting as a crucial support. Also, this support trend line has been breached on the downside in today's trading session, and the Nifty has closed below that 7601, which is the 20-day simple moving average, and the Nifty has closed below that. The daily momentum indicator has also a negative crossover. So we expect the fall in Nifty to continue in the coming trading sessions. Tomorrow's trading session is crucial as we have the budget in tomorrow's trading session. So we expect the volatility to continue. However, our trend or the short-term bias will remain down with a target of 73.70 on the downside. Crucial supports are placed at 7551, which is the low of today. If in tomorrow's trading session today's low is breached, then we can see levels of 7480 and 7435 on the downside. On the upside, 7633, 7650 and 7693 are the crucial resistances. On the hourly chart, we can observe that the Nifty has been trading in a volatile manner in today's trading session, and it is trading near the hourly lower Bollinger Band. It tried to remain in the positive mode. However, the selling pressure was so enormous that it couldn't hold on to any of the gains and ultimately ending the day on a negative note. The hourly momentum indicator still has a negative crossover, so there are no signs of the momentum indicator or in terms of price action that we are seeing which could take the Nifty up in the positive territory. Moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has closed in the negative for the third consecutive day. It is trading around the 40-day exponential moving average and the daily lower Bollinger Band. We maintain our short-term bias for Bank Nifty negative, and we expect the fall in Bank Nifty to come in the coming trading sessions. Crucial supports are placed at 14,827 and 14,720. On the upside, 15,093 and 15,200 are crucial resistances. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty still remains negative. Tomorrow is the budget day, so we expect volatility. Crucial supports are placed at 7551, 7480 and 7435. On the upside, resistances are placed at 7633, 7650 and 7693. That's all for the day. Thank you.